Hi, my name is Cris and I am a professional animal trainer for film and print work. We're going to put this guy down in a second because he's probably not going to sit still through this little testimonial here, but he's awful cute, isn't he? Anyway, so I have a story to tell you. A little over 3 years ago, I had a pretty catastrophic injury to my right eye. A bobcat that I had hand raised from a tiny baby decided he wanted to try to eat my face. So he went for my left eye and he missed. He went for my right eye and he got it. I felt it pop. He punctured it from underneath. I felt it pop. I felt everything go black. I actually thought that I had lost my eye at that moment. And then he came back and put a big giant gash in my head that required 26 stitches. So it was a pretty severe injury. Anyway, I ended up with 5 stitches to the bottom of my cornea. I ended up also with a trauma-induced cataract. And my vision was really terrible. I was lucky to have an eye, and I had, because of the trauma-induced cataract, I had cataract surgery thinking that that would help, and it really didn't help very much. And I had three different doctors tell me that I was going to have to deal with being pretty much functionally blind in this eye for the rest of my life. They, in essence, just told me tough crap. And I was stuck like that. It was more or less just like looking through Vaseline. It's the best that I could describe it. I could see light and dark and shadows and shapes. It was hard to make out features in people's faces, forget about seeing a bird in a tree or the stars or anything like that. And I was also getting headaches. So after about 3 years of this, I got a little bit frustrated with the whole situation and started Googling alternatives to cornea replacement. And Dr. Motwani popped up. And so I gave him a call, and he told me that as long as the injury wasn't across my field of vision, which it was not, that he could fix my eye. And indeed, he did. So I am happy to say that my vision is pretty much back to normal, and I have excellent vision in my right eye. I can see the stars and the birds and everything clearly. And really, it was practically a miracle for me. I recently had a trip to Hawaii, and I honestly got a little bit emotional because I was snorkeling and looking through a mask and realizing that this experience just would not even be close to the same without the kind of vision that I have back in my right eye now. So I just wanted to say a great big giant heartfelt thank you to Dr. Motwani and Cornea Revolution for saving my eyesight in my right eye. I will probably not be playing with bobcats anymore in the near future, but I do have other things to entertain me. Thanks again. Bye.